Your colon, also known as your large intestine, is the final step of the digestive process, where water and salt is extracted, leaving behind only solid waste until it is disposed of. A healthy colon basically functions as the cleanup crew of the body. One of the key factors in colon health is consuming a diet that is rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. When you consume more fiber, it adds bulk to the food you consume as it moves through the digestive system, causing it to spend less time in the colon. On the other hand, omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation within the colon. In fact, there are specific foods that you can easily fit into your diet that will help prevent disease and will keep your colon healthy. Number 1. Psyllium Husk. Psyllium Husk is a bulk-forming laxative which is rich in soluble fiber. A widely used colon cleanser, psyllium husks are purported to help rid the colon of excess waste that can build up and cause health complications. It works by increasing stool size and therefore helps relieve constipation. Number 2. Apples. Apple juice, applesauce, or even in the form of vinegar, apples are great when it comes to a colon cleanse. Pectin in apples helps in removing all the toxins from the colon and strengthening the intestinal lining. Apples are rich in fiber, which helps in relieving your digestive tract of all obstructions as well. Number 3. Walnuts. Walnuts are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which breed a healthier gut environment and may reduce the development of cancerous colon tumors. Number 4. Yogurt. Fermented dairy products like yogurt pack with gut-healthy probiotics. Eating plenty of yogurt may cut your risk of colorectal cancer by as much as 38%. Number 5. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera can help to reduce inflammation and aid in a smooth digestion. You can use aloe vera juice to support your colon health and be used to ease constipation. Number 6. Avocados. Avocado is a great food that is useful in detoxing and aiding in digestion. It is full of soluble fibers that helps to cleanse the colon and promote healthy regular bowel movements. Number 7. Fatty fish. Fatty fishes like salmon, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids reduces inflammation in the colon, stop cancer cell growth, and even promote the death of colon cancer cells. Number 8. Chia and flax seeds. Chia and flax seeds are rich in fiber, which moves the stool through your colon and brings toxic chemicals and other substances like cholesterol out of your system. Eating just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds will give you 10 grams of fiber, which is the 40% of your daily needs. Number 9. Legumes. Legumes like beans and lentils are loaded with fiber. People who eat the most fiber from vegetable sources like beans and lentils are 35% less likely to have colon polyps in the lining of the colon that can develop into cancer. Beans and lentils contain phytochemicals which can protect you against colon cancer. Number 10. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne is great for dissolving mucus in the body and stimulating movement in the digestion tract. It can also help improve indigestion, making it a superfood for detoxing and cleansing the colon. Number 11. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables including cabbage, broccoli, and kale are among the most powerful cancer fighters in the garden. They contain an array of compounds that flush out cancer-causing substances before they cause damage to the cell DNA. Studies have consistently shown that people who eat cruciferous vegetables have half the risk of developing colon cancer compared to those who eat the least.